Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Mazda BT50 dual cab ute XT, stock reference number 4328. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. It's fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels. The left front has a good tyre. Have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got a Dutch engineering alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets. Factory fitted tow bar. 3.5 ton rated, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and ECU. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror in black, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory Alpine touchscreen sat nav unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's only done 40,000 Ks, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.